Are you a life coach who's looking for ways that you can make money as a life coach, and specifically what you can charge for those specific ways as a life coach that you can make money? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to go over specifically ways that you as a life coach can make money and how much you can charge for those ways of making money as a life coach. We're going to go over high ticket ways. We're going to go over how you can do things without even having to really take any time away from yourself and lower ticket offers. And we're even going to talk about core offers as well. So make sure to stick along toward the end so you can find out how you can make high ticket sales as a life coach. Let's rock and roll. All right, so the first thing we want to discuss when we're talking about specifically, right, making money and specifically going out there with offers is we want to discuss what we classify as our value ladder and ultimately how we're going to design our life coaching business to begin with. So we want to go out there and we want to make sure that we have a value ladder that is going to help us ascend prospects who need our help up to the higher ticket offers. So the way that we are typically going to build out a value ladder is that we are going to have stuff that's going to be lower ticket offers and then our core offers and then even higher ticket offers on this value ladder where we are going to be able to design our life coaching business, ultimately having an opportunity to make sales to people even if we're not working with them one-on-one. Now, some of the types of coaching or some of the types of things as a life coach that you can add inside this value ladder that you're going to be able to charge people for are going to be things like free lead magnets, are going to be things like home study courses, maybe certification courses if you're wanting to certify people as coaches, or maybe it's going to be things like live events, virtual events, or even masterminds and one-on-one coaching. But what we want to make sure that we do is that we're having different products up on this value ladder that's allowing us to go out there and specifically have these specific products on this value ladder, bringing people in, right, where maybe they don't spend any money, but they get a free lead magnet and giving us the opportunity to ascend them all the way up to our high ticket offers, giving us the opportunity to help them as a life coach and have us sell them our products and services, being able to help them as a life coach, making a lot of impact and making a lot of money. Before I go over this next piece on exactly how you can price out the different products and the different offers on your value ladder so you can maximize your profits, I want to make sure to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now you know what the value ladder is and you kind of got some ideas of what types of products are on that value ladder. Now let's go over how we can price these out. So ultimately what we want to do is we want to organize our value ladder by ultimately starting with our lowest tickets on the bottom of that value ladder and looking to ascend people up that value ladder toward our high ticket products. So the types of products that we might have on this value ladder might be things like home study courses, might be certification courses if you're looking to certify people as coaches. It might be things like live events, virtual events, it might be masterminds, it might be one-on-one coaching. But whatever we want to do, we want to make sure that we identify the lower ticket products, the core products, and then our higher ticket products that we want to have on that value ladder. Typically on the value ladder, we're going to have specific products like maybe free lead magnets and ultimately a home study course on the bottom end of that value ladder that might be free or ultimately low cost, somewhere around $100 to $300 on that value ladder to where we can help people for free with a lead magnet, get them on our list, or ultimately for a low ticket offer to where we are going to be able to build buckets of people where we know are interested in our products and services that we're going to be able to make higher ticket offers to later on. Now, what we want to also have after we have those free and low ticket offers is we want to have our core offer. Our core offer is going to be really related to, right, the core niche that we're related into or the core solution that we want to offer. This can be delivered in a multitude of ways, whether it's an info product, a live event, a virtual event, maybe it's a mix of the two, however you want to do it. But ultimately, we want to make sure that we have a core offer, usually around that $1,000 to $3,000 price point that's going to be helping people in the core way that we help people. The next way that we want to have is what's going to be our high ticket offers. Our high ticket offers are going to be where we work with people at a more intimate level, meaning we work with them in a mastermind setting or in a smaller group setting, or maybe we work with them one-on-one even at some capacity, and we help these people through a lot more intimate style coaching, but they pay a lot more money to get that access to us in that coaching. So way I typically like to look at this when we're pricing, doing our pricing models for this is ultimately the more intimate you are with the prospect, meaning the more closer you are, the more you help them one-on-one with what it is that you're helping them with, or the more time that you give them through them getting that help, the more money that they ultimately are going to pay you because of that access. As a coach, ultimately they're paying us for our time. We want to then go out there and build out this value ladder with specific styles of products, basically helping people with the exact same solution, but through doing it through the amount of time that we are then going to allow them to get from us. So if they get more time, ultimately that means we charge more money. This way, based on the time that we are allotted to give those people, then we are going to be able to get compensated for that time, ultimately helping us make a lot more money as life coaches and help a lot more people in the process. All right, so now you know the value ladder and you know how I kind of price out the value ladder. Now let's talk about how we go out there and we start making sales, right? We start making sales with the offers and the products that we have on this value ladder. And the way we do that is through demonstration. The way we demonstrate is through what we classify as running profitable presentations. Now what a profitable presentation is going to be is where we go out there and we present and we demonstrate at mass in front of multiple people how we can help them by actually helping them. Now the way that we deliver our profitable presentations are going to be done in a multitude of ways. We can do it through workshops, we have online workshops, we can do it through online events, we can do it through online challenges, we can do it through master classes, we can even do it through online summits. But regardless, whatever way we want to do our profitable presentation, we want to make sure that we're helping the people in that presentation with the problem that they have through a solution that we're providing in that presentation. Then at the end of that presentation, what we then want to do is we want to go out there and we want to make sure that we present the offer that we've created at the end of this presentation through the people that we've already helped in that presentation, giving them the opportunity to get help from us even more. This is helping us springboard, right, goodness into more goodness by being able to help people, right, in the profitable presentation that we're doing, and then going out there and making offers to the people that come to that presentation, to that workshop, whatever it might be, and they say, hey, I helped you with this one thing at this workshop. I'd love to help you do this thing that's very similar to what we did in this workshop, but actually help you do this thing, which is actually going to help you even more, and I'd like for you to continue getting my help. Is that something that you would like to do? Which is going to help us sign up a lot of people at once, ultimately helping us, right, create impact and ultimately help a lot more people and sign up a lot more new clients more quickly. Are you a life coach looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach? Well, then I got a brand new 22-page guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide that's absolutely free, and I'd like to give it to you. So there's a link down here in the description where you can grab your 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which again is going to be a 22-page guide showing you the 3-step system that we use and that we give to our clients to use so that they can go out there and they can make their first or next 100K as a life coach or healer. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link below and grabbing your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide today. We'll see you in the next video.